Hello and welcome again to our YouTube channel Scholarship World. This is your host Ajay Fridi from Pakistan. Today we are going to discuss about University of Siena fully funded scholarships in Italy 2025-26. These are scholarships for international students and these are fully funded, and these scholarships are for bachelor, masters and PhD degree students. These are regional scholarships known as DSU scholarships. But on DSU scholarship, most of things are covered. The details we are going to discuss in this video. So, the university was established in 1240, and it is historical university, University of Siena. Okay, it's in the place name is Siena in Italy, and the University of Siena DSU scholarship in Italy are prestigious scholarships and opportunities to support talented students from various backgrounds. These Italian scholarships are supported by the region DSU region Toscana. So it's a regional scholarship. It is its Italian name. So this is the university building. Okay, so the DSU scholarship at the University of Siena provides a comprehensive financial support, which includes tuition fee, exemption, accommodation expenses coverage, meals, and additional living expenses to ease the financial worries of the successful scholars. Basically, it is also called need-based scholarship. So, need-based scholarships are easy to obtain in Italy, and normally people who have the GPA of 2.5 and they can show that they are in need. It's necessary that they provide a document that their monthly income is very less. You can say less than, in most of the time they ask that it is less than 10,000 euro or sometimes 8,000 euro. So nearly every international students in developing countries, their income is less than that this value. So the University of Siena is a public university located in Siena, Toscana region. It is the first publicly funded university and one of the oldest universities in Italy. It was established in 1240. This has been discussed already. Okay, so let's talk about details of this scholarship. University of Siena scholarship details. So the scholarship country is Italy. Host institute University of Siena. Course levels: master, PhD, bachelor courses are also entertained. We will discuss in the details of this scholarship. Bachelor courses are also entertained. Okay, financial coverage is fully funded and international students are eligible. The deadline is 2nd of September for master degree. Okay, the coverage of this University of Siena scholarship financial coverage. The University of Siena scholarship in Italy is a fully funded scholarship program covering all of the recipients' educational costs. The following are covered values in detail. Full tuition fee waiver. So tuition fees off. Monthly stipend will be provided. Sport activities, books and other academic needs. Free residence will also be provided. So registration fees also waived off. Very good scholarship. DSU regional scholarship. Other expenses associated with the study, they are also included in this funding. Okay, so which fields are covered by this university? University of Siena. List of the study fields offered by the University of Siena. There are a number of fields. Nearly most of the fields are covered. So we will discuss in detail now the fields. So these are undergraduate bachelor degrees for 3 years. As I already mentioned that bachelor courses are also entertained. Biotechnologies, medicine and dentistry and health professions. So these are the courses in this area. These are bachelor degree courses, 3-year bachelors. So you can go through all these courses in detail about the bachelor degree. So most of the courses are in Italian in this area, so they will provide you some coaching in Italian language when you will reach there. Every university has its courses, so they offer to international students. That will also be covered in this scholarship. Okay, so the graduate studies 2-year graduate program. So these are in this area of health. These are 2 years program. Some of are in English, and these are in English. Some are in Italian. So you can go through this. Okay, single cycle courses, 6-year courses. So these are in medical field. These courses, one in English, one in Italian. This is 6-year single cycle course. Okay, so next is economics, law, political science, social sciences. 1-year courses also there, pre-university. It's in English. And then again the undergraduate courses in this subject area of economics, law, political sciences. So these are courses given here. This is the detail. Some are more are in Italian, and some one of them is in English. Okay, so then again the 2-year programs in graduate programs. The subject area is communication strategies and techniques, Italian. Economics is in English, so economics and management of financial institutions, that's in Italian. You can go through these courses easily. You can see that if your course is there or not. Okay, so next is single cycle 5-year course, law, that's in Italian. So law students can also apply. Next is an environmental sciences, biology, chemistry, pharmacy, geology. These are bachelor degree courses, so you can go through these list of these courses. These are in Italian. Okay, so 2 years graduate programs again. So these are the different areas. Again, chemistry, biology, geological sciences, health biology. So these are natural sciences courses given here. You can go through and check the language of the courses in detail. Single cycle again. So different subjects have different courses in this university. Pharmaceutical chemistry and technology, that's in Italian. Pharmacian is also in Italian. Okay, physics, engineering and mathematics. This is bachelor degree courses, 3-year courses. Computer and information engineering, engineering management, mathematics, physics and advanced technologies. Again, graduate program 2 years, applied mathematics and is in English, artificial intelligence and automation engineering is in English, electronics and communication engineering, and this is also in English, engineering management, that's also in English. So this is 2 years program, graduate program. Again, in this area, cultural heritage, education, literature, languages, history, philosophy. So these are bachelor programs, 3 years undergraduate programs. You can go through the list of this one. Okay, so the next is 2-year graduate program in the social sciences, anthropology, archaeology, class 6, educational sciences and educational consulting for organization. So history and philosophy, history of art, Italian studies, language and mind, linguistic and cognitive studies, that's in English. So you can go through all these courses. Okay, so what is the eligibility criteria and requirements for these scholarships? To get the University of Siena scholarship in Italy 2025-26, the following terms and conditions must be fulfilled by the candidates, which are given as follows. International as well as domestic candidates can apply for this scholarship. For the master degree, you must have a bachelor degree equivalent to the Italian system. So for PhD degree, PhD courses are also entertained in this scholarship. They are also fully funded. Okay, you can check the list in the university website for the PhD courses, which PhD courses are being offered by the university, so you can apply for this. For the PhD courses, master degree is required equivalent to master's in Italy's Italian system. A good academic required will be given preference to be successful in the University of Siena. Scholarships students must be admitted to the University of Siena. So the admission is must. And again, I can remind that to be successful in the University of Siena scholarships, you must have admitted to the University of Siena. You must take the admission first. An English language proficiency certificate from previous institution is required, so you have no need to do the IELTS. You can provide the English proficiency letter. Required documents for this scholarship: online application form, evidence of enrollment, most recent transcript of the degrees. For a master, transcript of the bachelor is required. A photocopy of passport for foreign students is required. Short resume or CV. Write powerful CV for this scholarship. A statement of purpose is required. Research proposal for the master program is also required. 2 recommendation letters. So I will put the link in the description that what is the format of that recommendation letter, so you can follow that. English proficiency letter from the previous. Acceptance letter if available. If you do not have acceptance letter, then it's okay, no problem, you can still apply for this scholarship, it's not mandatory. Okay, so application deadline is 2nd of September. For the master degree programs. For PhD, normally the deadline is in 1 month late than a master degree, so that will be October. So I will give the link in the description that how you can apply for this scholarship. The application link will be provided in the description. So I hope you have enjoyed this, you have found this video very informative for you, and I hope that you will apply for this scholarship and you will win this scholarship. Thank you very much. See you again in the next video. Bye-bye.